In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to transfer SiriusXM to a new vehicle. First, find your new vehicle's radio ID, ESN or VIN. SiriusXM says you'll need one of these to complete the transfer. Make sure your old vehicle is the one currently linked to the subscription. SiriusXM's transfer process is for removing the old vehicle and linking the new one to the existing account. Go to SiriusXM's transfer page or log in to your online account center. SiriusXM offers an online transfer option, and it allows chat or phone support. Enter the new vehicle's radio ID or VIN when prompted. SiriusXM help pages say this is the key information used to add the new radio to your account. Then follow the prompts to confirm the transfer and remove the old vehicle if needed. SiriusXM states it can move service to a new vehicle and pause billing on the old one in some cases. Then check for any transfer fees or special plan rules. SiriusXM says lifetime plans can be transferred for a $35 fee plus applicable taxes, and some plans may not be transferred at all. If this helps you, subscribe, but for now, goodbye.